start about mixed tag. That first of all we have to understand about what is mean by mixed tag. Okay, so in mixed tag we have to we will learn about mean. First of all, what is the full form of mean? So in that full form of mean means MEAN. So in mean means MongoDB, E means Express.js, A means AngularJS, and N means Node.js. So what is the role of MongoDB? MongoDB is nothing but we are using for a database collection purpose. Database collection means database is nothing but what we store in the data, like warehouse in our home, or we are having guest room, or we are having storeroom, right? Whatever use data we are having, we are storing in that place, right? So that there is nothing but what we can say one kind of our database. Like suppose we want some rice, some oil, wheat, and whatever we want, what we do, we are collecting and we are keeping in that room. Because whenever we require, we can collect from that. So for that purpose, we are using that room as a database. Here also in MongoDB, what we are doing, we are using as a database center. In database means we are storing a data in the form of document. Document database. Document database. Document means is nothing but like what type of documentation we are having. Like for now, this is the CI class. In that CI class, how many roll number 1 they are having different data. Roll number 2 is having different data. So what we are doing, we are gathering data like their name, roll number, age, whatever that is, subject cleared and all. That thing subject we are storing data in a documentation form, right? So for that purpose, we are using MongoDB in a mixed tag to store a database. Second one is our Express.js. So Express.js, what type of data is providing? Express.js is nothing but is providing a one kind of framework. Framework means like suppose if you want to implement any data or if you want to implement any module, first of all we have to construct one diagram. We have to construct some diagram, or we can that diagram is nothing but we can say one type of blueprint. That blueprint is nothing but our framework that we are using for Express.js. So in Express.js, what we are doing, we are using a framework. We are using a framework. Framework is nothing but like this is the one room. So for room purpose, where we have to keep blackboard, where we have to keep windows, where we have to keep door, what we have to keep benches, how we will keep. That is nothing but one kind of framework. How much distance we will keep it, according to that framework only we can implement. Right? That for that purpose we are using a Express.js in our mixed tag. Second one is our AngularJS. So AngularJS is nothing but is working on a client-side project. Client-side requirement or client-side server, what we can say. That if client is not having any requirement, how he will implement? It's impossible to implement any developer. So for that purpose, what we require in AngularJS, we require client requirement. When client will give his requirement or he will provide the data, then only we can implement or we can implement any model. So for that purpose, in mixed tag we are using a AngularJS. In next one is your Node.js. So Node is nothing but what we can say, small node is nothing but the small unit of code or small unit of data. That is nothing but our node, right? Like small unit, this is nothing but one piece of job. So that's when we are small, we can say the small unit test, right? So when we combining or when we are saying this is nothing but our separate node, this is nothing but our separate node, because unit testing, both are unit. When small unit will be creating, that is nothing but our we can say unit, or we can say the node. Node is nothing but the collection of information. Small collection of information, that is nothing but we are saying node. So in that thing Node.js. So Node.js, why we are using Node.js, we are using for the web application purpose. When we are have to provide a data or when we have to provide an application to the browser, for that purpose we are using a Node.js. Or we can do what we can say for the web application. Right. So in that we say what we have to understand now mean. But when every time we are using the JS. What is the use of JS? JavaScript, right? But first of all, we have to understand the Java and script, both are the different words, right? So in Java, why we are using Java first? Because the Java is providing a highly portable languages, highly secure. If you are having any data, if you are providing any languages there, you can get the more security in Java. for that purpose they are using a Java in scripting while you are doing